Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Portable AC Vent Kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maximize the efficiency and convenience of their portable air conditioner, especially when dealing with sliding doors or windows that don't offer a standard opening for exhaust hoses. This innovative solution allows you to create a sealed environment, preventing warm air from re-entering your room and ensuring your AC unit works optimally to keep you cool and comfortable during those sweltering summer months, making it a game changer for apartments, dorms, or any living space where traditional window installations are not feasible or desired. Number 5. Gulrear 95 Sliding Door AC Vent Kit. Introducing the most comprehensive portable AC sliding door vent kit on the market. Transform your space into a cool oasis with this all-inclusive solution. Our universal adapter is designed to fit 90% of hoses, featuring a unique double-thread design. It seamlessly connects with most portable air conditioner brands, eliminating compatibility worries. Keep dust and debris out with the included self-adhesive filter screen. It seals gaps and preserves airflow, ensuring your unit runs efficiently. Achieve efficient cooling with a perfect seal. Weatherproof tape fills gaps, preventing air leaks and enhancing performance. High-temperature resistant tape secures the kit, allowing for smooth door operation. Unleash the full potential of your sliding patio door. This robust and innovative kit is crafted from top-notch materials, offering a rational and reliable solution for your portable AC needs. Installation is a breeze with our tool-free design. Simply peel, stick, and insert for a secure and effective vent solution. What we like. This kit offers the most comprehensive solution with an included filter screen and universal adapter. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that ensures maximum compatibility and dust protection, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free setup and a cleaner airflow. What people say. It was easy to install and fit perfectly in my sliding door. The kit sealed the opening well, preventing hot air from coming back into the room. Number 4. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner with Heat and Dehumidifier. Introducing a versatile appliance that keeps your space comfortable year-round. It offers cooling, heating, and dehumidifying functions, all in one compact unit. Designed with your convenience in mind, this unit is lightweight and features rolling wheels. Easily move it between rooms in your home or office. Enjoy not only a refreshing cool breeze but also a reduction in humidity levels. This dual functionality saves you money and space. Customize your environment with 4 distinct operating modes: cooling, heating, dehumidifier, and fan. It also features an automatic swing mode for optimal air circulation. Easily manage all settings, including temperature, fan speed, and timer, with the included remote control. Adjustments are just a click away. With 10,000 BTU cooling power, it effectively cools rooms up to 450 square feet. It's the perfect, space-saving solution for year-round comfort. What we like. This unit is perfect for year-round comfort, offering both cooling and heating with a built-in dehumidifier. If you need a versatile appliance that can handle different seasons and reduce humidity, consider this option. It's great for those who want a single solution for climate control in rooms up to 450 square feet. What people say. The adapter fits perfectly into the sliding door and creates a tight seal. Easy to install and adjust, it effectively blocks hot air from entering the room. The kit is durable and well-made, providing a long-lasting solution for venting. Number 3. UNAOIWN Portable AC Window Vent Kit. Introducing the UNAOIWN AC Window Vent Kit, designed for effortless installation in your portable air conditioner setup. This kit provides the essential components to vent your unit effectively. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this window seal kit is built to last, resisting extrusion and aging for year-round use. It's a stable and simple solution for your cooling needs. Whether your windows slide vertically or horizontally, this kit adapts to your needs. You can configure it with 2, 3, or 4 panels for a perfect fit, adjustable from 17 to 65 inches. Achieve optimal cooling with our excellent sealing performance. The included sealing strip ensures a tight fit, effectively blocking hot air and saving energy. This comprehensive kit includes 4 plates, a 5.9-inch coupler, a filter, and screw accessories. It's compatible with most portable AC units and their 5.9-inch exhaust hoses. No tools are required for installation. Simply slide the ceiling plates and lock them in place for a quick and convenient setup. Enjoy a cooler room in minutes. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our 24-hour online customer service is available to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring a 100% positive experience. What we like. This kit provides excellent sealing performance with durable PVC material and an adjustable length for a perfect fit. If you need a reliable and long-lasting solution for your sliding windows or doors that ensures minimal air leakage, this is a great choice. It's suitable for users who prioritize efficiency and ease of use. What people say. The adapter fits perfectly into the sliding door and creates a good seal. Easy to install and adjust, it effectively blocks hot air from entering the room. The kit includes all necessary parts for a quick setup, making it a convenient solution for venting. Number 2. SunDiao Portable Air Conditioner Sliding Door Vent Kit. Introducing the new Upgrade Door AC Kit, designed for ultimate portability and convenience. This adjustable kit ensures a perfect fit for most sliding doors and windows. Our kit features an adjustable track design, fitting heights from 17 to 90 inches. It's compatible with most portable air conditioners and installs in minutes. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this kit is built to withstand the elements and last for years. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and stores away neatly. Achieve optimal cooling with our effective sealing strip that eliminates gaps. The included bird guard also protects your unit from unwanted intrusions. Please ensure your portable air conditioner's exhaust hose has a 5.9-inch diameter before purchasing. This ensures a perfect seal and efficient operation. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: seal panels, coupler, bird guard, accessories, and a manual. It's the perfect accessory for your portable AC. What we like. Featuring a user-friendly adjustable track design and an included bird guard, this kit offers convenience and protection. If you're looking for an easy-to-install and sturdy option that also prevents debris from entering your hose, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for those who want a secure and protected ventilation setup. What people say. The kit is very easy to install and fits perfectly in my sliding door. It effectively seals the gap around the hose, preventing hot air from coming back into the room. The adjustable panel is a great feature, allowing for a custom fit for different door sizes. Number 1. WYRJXYB Portable Air Conditioner Window Kit. Keep your space cool this summer with our Universal Portable AC Window Kit. It's designed to fit all portable air conditioning units, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Our adjustable window seal kit easily adapts to sliding vertical and horizontal windows and doors. You can combine the seal plates to create any size needed for a perfect fit. The included exhaust hose is made from high-quality, thickened polypropylene with an anti-clockwise thread. This design offers enhanced heat and wear resistance for a longer service life. Achieve a superior seal with our window kit plates that embed directly into the window track. This prevents hot air from entering, keeping your room cool and saving energy. Installation is a breeze with our kit. No tools are required, simply slot, slide, and lock the parts into place. It's easy to install, disassemble, and store. Everything you need is included: seal plates, an exhaust hose, a round adapter, sealing tape, and an installation manual. It's a complete solution for your portable AC. What we like. This kit comes complete with an exhaust hose featuring an anti-clockwise thread and offers a universal fit for most portable AC units. If you need a convenient package that includes the hose and ensures compatibility with your existing AC unit, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for users who want a straightforward and complete solution for cooling their space. What people say. The adapter fits perfectly into the sliding door and seals well, preventing hot air from entering. Easy to install and adjust for different door sizes, making it a versatile option. The kit includes all necessary parts for a quick and straightforward setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.